Come on, Dan. Let's go, come on. Oh, you got time, let's go. Stay there, come on. Good.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I mean, just check it.
With the miss, I maybe went back one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Mike, would you get on the rope? Or like if you just
Where you at, man? I didn't win that, but okay. I wouldn't give that one a 9 Well, it's fun, man. It's not as fun as pulling a Japanese holographic Charizard, though, or Venusaur.
So next week.
And that's legendary. Legendary.
So I'm like,
I just tied my hair so freaking tight. I feel like I'm.
I like this one much better.
Hey, let's get you and Trav next to each other. I don't like these. You put those on there, they pop out all the time. Hey, where you going? You going there? The bar. I want you next to Lex. No, just switch with Chris. Or
Before, I don't know. Do you know
know, I got kicked out of this heat.
You got 30 something? I don't know.
They told me I couldn't be in this heat because I got in trouble for having the fattest, juiciest ass in here.
Let me go that way. We'll go this way. Here, we'll go down.
Did you feel like that rower was fine?
This one with the... Don't interview me. I don't have anything to say.
You ready for Halo
Interview
this
him.
weekend?
Oh, hell yeah.
That's hard. I feel like in like the 6th round of double unders, I was like, oh, it's real now.
Alexis, is this you? You want to lay down here? I would put it right there and then jump over. You want black bumpers?
Where's your backup rope?
Still healing. That's how you went.
Try to be everything that I can, but sometimes I come out as being nothing. I try to be everything that I can, but sometimes I come out as being nothing. I pray to God that you mean nothing. Maybe one day on a step or something. I'm thinking God that He makes you I guess I ain't go through all that hell for nothing.
Do you think it's dumb to have the camera straight on my elbows?
I would think.
Are you judging right now?
Because your arm is
What's that say about the angle?
Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras. I just wanted to say that.
She crushed it, right?
Linda? Yeah, two baby. First place for the women so far.
What'd you get?
9 plus something, I don't know. But in the 9s.
I think based on my earning
I don't think you will. You're judging it, not
with my arms were. I think it's no. It would be any subjectivity that's based on my deadlift. Unless I film this way, but I gotta show the rower. ladies and gentlemen, we're bringing 24.2 to you today.
Friday.
That was all you had? That was,
Friday.
why'd
I
you
don't know
delay
what
for
today
15 seconds? You gotta get
I
the
don't know
people what they want.
I don't know
Keep them
what today
intrigued,
is.
get them ready, throw the WWE wrestling belt over your shoulder, and get them ready for 24.2. Now,
Burn
ladies and
yourself out,
gentlemen,
dude.
what?
You're gonna burn yourself out.
Nah, man, this is
She's
fueling. This is
resting.
called filling my cup up. You know, like
I'm
when I
chill.
coach
I'm
Friday
so
Night
relaxed,
Lights.
and he's just
You know what's
like-
happening on Friday Night Lights? I get anxious and I get excited. And you know what's happening right now?
It's not Friday night. It's Friday morning, bro.
But we're about to bring that energy. Q is a cool as a cucumber.
Crazy.
What? I feel like we need like a Adderall Alexis over here getting ready for.
No, I'm so calm.
She's so calm, bro. She got some acupuncture in her ear, bro. She's ready to
I'm
roll. Ready to roll, bro. All right, but we're gonna crush it today. So stay tuned for some really cool footage of myself, this one, and Mr. Matthew Gilpin over there in the brown. There he is. Look at him. Look at him. Gilpin, say hello. Tell the people hello. Nailed you.
pace here. You got 7 minutes left. You're looking great. Come on. Good. Come on. Keep your pace. Right there.
Lex, you're doing awesome. Keep it up. Let's go.
The Australian assassin right there, boys and girls.
Trav! Crush it! Let's go, Lex! Come on, Lex! Here we go, Trav! Here we go! Let's go! Come on! Go, Trav! Go! Let's see it! My man! You see that crazy one, too? Woo!
Going with him was a mistake. He goes so fast.
Can you turn my camera off? Get it? No, Colleen, you're getting a high five. I tried really hard for the one. It was good.
Everything else is fine. It's just like,
Oh, for sure.
Hey,
Not a lot of people, but
this ain't your best angle.
why not?
There we go.
I think that one double under will matter.
Oh, he got it.
Yeah, he got it.
He looked
I
cool
thought
as
it
shit
looked
when he
good.
got it, too.
That's how I do my double under.
What was that? Maxwell, how many was those 5 rounds?
We were 10 out of 5. Bro, you got one double under. Short of 49, short of 11 rounds. I thought it was. I have to watch it. Yeah.
Talk me through that last dub.
Huh?
Talk me through that last dub.
He was talking gibber on the row of like, you'll get to the double and there's not time to finish. I'm like, dude, you don't know math. I'm on the rower. It's gonna take me at least a minute, which means 15 seconds to do 10 and 50. Physically impossible. I was like, shut up, Max, in my head. And then just rode a 1:30, 8 to 9 to finish. And then I saw where the clock was and I saw I had, I think, 4 seconds to drop and try to get one, knowing one was gonna be a very big separator. I got one. That last minute dub. Yeah, I don't think that got really bad till like 15. Like, yeah. And then at 15 in, my feet started getting on fire, and I was ready to be done. Right? Right.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I had to take breaks on the double under.
What, breathing? No, I'm warmed up too soon. Oh, how do we?
It got to the point where
I'm in danger.
Talk me through that high five.
it was pretty sad. She left me hanging.
I mean, what's going through your mind when you're like, okay, here I am, putting my heart out there.
I'm like, do I stay here or do I walk away? I don't know.
And do you think you overstepped your boundaries? Like, if you could go back and do it again, what would you do? Would you go double down, going harder? Like, no, you're good.
I think I'd have to give her a little slap on the back.
Yeah.
You know, I have to do it for her.
Yeah.
She looked pretty messed up after that workout.
Well,
Hard to end on the rower.
the rest of the YouTube universe feels for you. But we got that.
Thanks.
You got
Thanks.
that? You got
Thanks.
that? Yep.